Okay, hello and welcome back to another video. Victor Equipment here at Victor's Digital Vision. And guess what? We're going to see how we can play a game with Excel. All right, it's not going to be as smooth as I wanted because we've not learned a lot, but it's something that we can use in order to get our juices going. And I think it's a good way to get our juices going and to explore more things with Excel. Okay, so we're going to go
Search
to the
window.
start
Search
menu,
box edit blank.
which is two keys to the left of your
E
spacebar.
C L.
Go and type
Excel.
Excel. Excel should
Excel.
load. Okay, yes, Excel downloaded.
Sheet 1 table. A 1.
Okay, so sheet 1 table. All right. So welcome. We're going to type welcome. This is a
Edit
guessing
G.
game.
U E F F I N G using cap A M E.
Okay.
Sheet 1 a 3.
And all three say
Edit L
welcome
C O N E L T O 2 O
to
U R R G E
our
F S S S I
oops,
N G N G
guessing
A M E
game.
game. Dot. Space.
Okay.
Cap P L E A E.
Please
Clearing. Space. E N T E R. Enter A N U M B E R. Number. Space. I N in. Space.
B in
C E
cell
L L cell. Cap B 6.
B6.
B6, comma. Space I N F O R M A O N.
Information
Sheet 1 L L L L
will
space B E
be
B space G I E
given
N G T O 2
to
Y O U U space O N on
on
C E L L cell cap C 6 C6
Okay.
dot. Sheet 1 table a 2. Welcome to our guessing game. Please enter a number in cell B6. Information overflowing A3.
Okay, I didn't spell that guessing game well, so let's do
Edit welcome to our
mode.
guessing game. Cap W 2 R guessing E S E G E.
Okay, put you here.
Sheet 1 welcome to our guessing game. Please enter a number in cell B6. Information overflowing A3 will be given to you on cell C6. Overflowing
Okay.
A4.
I didn't say that one well as well. Will be given to you.
Edit will be given to you on cell W B Gin I E N E.
Okay, so V here.
V. Sheet 1 tape will be given to you on cell C6. Overflowing A4. Well, a guessing game overflowing A1.
Okay, so this is how we're going to play the guessing game. We have set A1.
A guessing game over a 2. Welcome to our guessing game. Please enter a number in cell B6. Information overflowing A3 will be given to you on cell C6. Edit F.
Okay. Oops. Man, what did I do here? Okay.
Sheet 1 table F8
Control
will
Z.
will be given to you on guessing game overflowing a B1 C1.
Okay.
D1.
Okay, on D1 we're going to put seed. Our seed number.
E-D-E-D-N-U-M-B-E-R.
Okay, and then
Sheet
this
1
is
table,
where you're going to
E1.
put the seed number. With this, we are going to put our seed number. So let's say
Edit 1, 2.
12.
Sheet 1, 12 times 10 to the power of first.
Okay, and we're going to give this a name cell. We're going to call this seed.
Cut, remove the selection and copy, paste, int, delete, clear, quick filter, sort, collect, get data, new comment, new note, add format, set, pick from drop, define name.
Define name.
New name dialog, S-E-E-D. Book 3-X, 12 times 10 to the power of first.
So this is seed. If we want to know what the name for this is Control and Shift F3. Okay, so F3, Control F3, sorry.
Name manager dialog, list. Refers to colon, list. Seed semi, value colon,
seed, yes.
book 3 12 times E2,
right.
E3, E4.
So we have our seed.
E5.
And I'll explain to you what seed does in the later on in this video.
Will be given. Welcome to our guessing. Will be given to you a 5, a 6.
A6. Okay, so enter a number.
N-T-E-R. Enter.
Enter your
N-U-N-U-E-N-G-U-E-S-S. Sheet 1 table. B6.
Okay, so this is B6, and this is where we're going to guess. Okay, so in order for us not to know what the number is, we're going to put this at the last cell on this column. To get to the
7. Enter your guess overflowing A6.
To get to the last column on this, you press the Control key and the down arrow.
104 8576.
So you see that's the last column. If I press Control key and the up arrow,
enter your guess overflowing A6.
It goes back to A6, the last area or cell where there's content. So Control and down arrow.
104 8576.
Because there's no other contents there, and we're going to write the formula. But before we write the formula, let me go back to A6.
Enter your guess overflowing A7.
Now I'm on A7. Okay, so I want to pause here for a bit, and we're going to learn how to use two new formulas. And how we're going to do that, we're going to press Shift and F3, Shift and F3.
Book 3-Excel unavailable. Formula bar edit equals.
So you see the formula dialog comes up. There's something I want to talk about on this formula dialog. You have different, you have statistics, you have random,
RANDOM.
which is what we should have used, the random.
Insert
So
function
you can see
dialog.
on
Rand
the
array. Rand. Returns a random number greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. Evenly
so this
distributed left paren.
rand
Changes on recalculation right
function
paren.
gives you a number between 0 and 1.
Rand array. Returns an array of random numbers.
This gives you an array of random numbers.
Rand between. Returns a random number between the numbers you specify.
Okay, so this rand between would have been the ideal formula to use. But then the problem is that anytime we edit the worksheet, the random number will change, and we don't want that. We want it to be static. We want the random number to be static. Hence the reason why we're using, field numbers. Okay.
Or select a category : combo box recommended Alt plus C. Go button Alt plus G. Search for a function : edit Alt plus blank.
Okay, so search for a function.
Blank.
So we search for random. Now I want to search for something called the modulus. So MOD.
Mod. Select a function : mode. This mod returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor.
So it returns the remainder after it's divided by a divisor. Okay, and that's how. And if you press enter on
function
this,
arguments dialog help on this function returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor.
Okay.
Divisor edit blank.
Divisor.
Help on this function link Alt plus H.
You have help on this function
link Alt plus H.
Which is Alt plus H.
Divisor number edit blank.
So you have a number.
Function arguments dialog help on this function returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. Number formula result equals is the number for which you want to find the remainder after the division is performed. Number equals. Cancel button.
Okay, so you can see that there is a
mod grouping. OK button. Mod cancel button returns the remainder after a number is divided. Number formula result equals is the number for which you want to.
So there Excel explains to you how the formula works. Okay, so if you're not sure, you can press the Alt H. It will generate it would launch the web browser, and it will show you where to actually see the function. Okay, so let me give button. So I press OK here.
3-Excel. Formula bar edit equals mod left paren, right paren. Equals mod left paren, right paren. Equals mod left paren, right paren.
So you see equals mod left paren.
Sheet 1 table. A 7.
Right paren.
Enter your guess over. A 7.
So I'm on A7.
1048576.
Now, if you listen well, if we put equals MOD.
Make array 1 of 25. Mod. Right paren. Mod 1 of
left paren.
Left paren. Mod. Parameter number required. Parameter divisor required.
Parameter number required. Now we're going to do something here. We're going to type seed. Remember, seed is on, I think, is on E1 or F1. So seed, that's the number we gave that cell.
Scan 1 of 43.
Seed multiplied.
Seed. Start.
Now we're going to give a random number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's going to multiply the seed times that number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we're going to divide it by 1,
0, 0, 0, 1.
1, 0, 1. The modulus. So it's going to give us a number from 1 to 20. Yeah. From 0 to 20. So I can, oops.
1.
Instead of saying 1 to
0.
100. Sorry.
0, 0.
100.
0. Right paren.
Right paren. And I'll add 1 to it. So
sheet 1 table 53 has formula A10
so you can see it gave us 53. So let me explain this to you so that you're not confused. Okay.
Edit equals mod equals.
So equals
cap M cap D.
Mod
paren. S E E D.
That's the seed on E1. That's the name cell.
Start.
Multiply.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3,
this
2,
is a
1.
random number.
Comma.
Right. This is a random number. So we're going to find the modulus
1, 0, 0.
of 100. So what does that mean? So like if I say 4 divided by 4 modulo 7, that is 4 divided by 7 remainder what? So what that means is that 4 divided by 7 is 0 remainder 4. So the answer is 4. If I say 14 divided by 7 is 2 remainder 0. So the answer is 0. So it gives you the remainder. If I want a number like 51, so 51 divided by 7 is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49, remainder 2. So the answer is 2. So no matter what you're going to get a number between 0 and 7. Now, sorry, 0 and 6, because it never reaches 7, right? It's 0 to 6. Now, but we want the number between 1 and 7. So we're going to add a plus 1 to it. So if we have 14 divided by 7, that'll be 2 remainder 0, which the answer will be 0. Then you just add 1 to it, 1. So that will give you a 1. If it's let's say 48, for example, that's 6 remainder 6. Okay. So 6 remainder 6 plus 1, that's 7. So our block or our range of numbers is going to be between 1 and 7. In this case, we're going to do our seed times this big random number and divided by 100, modulus 100. After the modulus comes after the comma, and then add 1 to it, which will give you your number. So that's
Equals mod left paren. Sheet 1, 1053 has formula
so that's what we get here, 53.
A1048576.
Okay.
Enter your guess overflowing A6.
Enter your guess.
B6, C6.
There's another formula called the if formula. It's also here. If I go to Shift and F3.
Insert function dialog mod left paren. Number divide blank.
So if I do
if select a function if error, if checks whether
so
a condition is if error, returns
if error.
ifna, returns the value you specify if the expression resolves to number n/a, otherwise
Okay.
returns the result
So
of the expression.
This is a different thing. So this is what we're looking for. If
book function arguments dialog help on this function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false.
Okay, so it
logical
returns
line
a
test
value
formula
if
result
true
equals is
and
any value or expression that can be
false.
evaluated to
now
function arg OK button. Book 3- Excel equals if left paren. Sheet 1 to B6, C6.
Okay, now on C6. Now this formula, I'm going to take it slowly because it's quite intensive. So you have
edit equals if 1 of 53.
Okay. We forgot something.
Sheet 1 table C6. Enter your guess overflow. 53 has formula A1048576.
We need to name this our cell where the guess is, where the random generated number is. We'll call it what do we call this? Number. Let's call this number.
Remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. T1 of 3. Type to remove link open hyper link split define name pick from drop define name new name dialog.
Well, let's call
name
this
colon edit
choice.
alt plus n blank.
Let's call this choice.
CHOICE. Book 3- Excel 1053 has formula A1048576.
So the last cell is choice.
Enter your guess overflowing at B6.
This B6 is what we're going to call. We're going to name this B6 as guess.
Remove the selection and type link to this open hyperlink link split button define name. New name dialog GUESS book 3- B5 B6. Enter your guess overflowing B6.
Oh, I hope I did the right thing. Okay, so let me check. Control and F3. Control and F3.
Name manager dialog. Guess semi refers to colon equals sheet $1 $6 semi scope
okay, yes,
colon
on B6.
workbook
Okay,
book
so
3- Excel C6.
Now we're going to do something here on E6 on C6. We're going to say
edit
if
equals if 1 of 53. If left paren if parameter logical line test required
guess,
parameter value line G gamma 1 of 15 gamma 1 of gamma 1 of 15
right is equals, or let's say greater than,
yes greater
choice
ceiling date ceiling dot math 1 of 60.
If guess, what that's B6 is greater than choice. Choice is that last cell in that A column, right?
Choice comma
then we can now type
cap Y U R your G
Your
E E
guess
U E S U S I S
is
is T O 2
too
space H
high.
I G H quote right paren.
Okay,
Sheet 1 table.
let's stop
C
there.
false has formula C6 B6
So there's nothing on B6, so it's saying false.
B5.
So let's go back here.
Guessing game over B1 C1 seed number 12 times 10 to the power of
We'll
first.
put 12 here. So let's put 55.
Edit 5. Sheet 1 55 times E2 E3 E4 E5 E6 D6 false has B6.
Okay, so I put 12.
Edit 2. Sheet 1 table. False has formula C6.
So it's still saying false. Why is it still saying false? Let's try it again.
Edit equals.
Equals
If 1 of 53. If left paren. If parameter gamma 1 of 15
is
guess
greater than we said choice.
Ceiling dot choice quote cap y u r your n u m b e r number I is t o 2 a I g h high quote.
That's it. So if it's true, it's going to say your number is too high. If it's false, it's going to say false.
Comma. If
so
parameter value
for,
line if line
for
false
this
optional.
one you can say too
quote,
low.
Quote.
Your number is too low.
Quote. Cap y u r your n u m b e r number I is t o 2 l w. Low. Right. Microsoft Excel dialog. Microsoft Excel, we found a typo in your formula and tried to correct it to colon.
Okay, so
equals
Microsoft is
left
telling me
paren.
that
No button alt plus n. Yes button alt plus. Book 3 dash x B7.
Error.
C7. B7.
Why?
12 B6. Your number is too low has formula overflowing C6.
Okay, your number is too low.
12 B6.
So, but what if the number is equal?
Enter your guess crop.
Give you an example.
56 has formula A1.
This is 56,
enter your guess
okay?
12 B6.
So I have 12 B6. Let's say I say 55.
Sheet 1 table. Your number is too low has 55 B6.
Your number is too low.
Edit 6. Sheet 1 table. Your number is too low has formula 56 B. Edit 5. 7. Sheet 1 table. Your number is too high has formula overflowing
C6. Your number is too high because 56 is greater than
57 B6.
Because I put 57, right? On B6. So let me put 56.
Edit 5. 6. Sheet 1 56 B6. Your number is too low has formula overflowing C6.
So you can see that logic is wrong. So we have to edit that formula. How we're going to do it now? I said it's quite demanding.
Left blank. Double L space O O T space S I space R E B M U N space R U O cap Y O U R space N U M B E R space
No, let's keep it consistent. The same number.
Space
Your guess.
G U E S S S F E U G space R U O cap Y quote comma.
So after the comma, just before this,
if parameter
the
value
false
line
part,
false optional.
You know the false part has a comma. Is after the comma, the second comma. So what we're going to do, we're going to do another if here.
If 1 of 53.
An open bracket.
If left paren.
And then we're going to say if
parameter
guess.
Logical line test require G gamma gamma 1 of 15.
Guess is on B6 is less than.
Guess less
than choice.
Ceiling.math 1 of 60.
No,
choice,
put comma here.
comma.
Then you can say yes.
Parameter value line if
it's
line
going to
optional.
be too low.
Blank.
But because we have an if with an opening paren, we need another if, and we have two ifs with opening paren. We need another if with a closing paren.
Right paren. Right paren. Blank.
So
right paren. Right paren. Quote. Right paren.
Over
comma,
here,
if space,
we'll now say
quote. Cap y you are your space. G
guess
E S S guess I F is C O R R E C T. Sheet 1 table.
All
C7.
right.
Your guess is correct has formula overflowing C6. 56 B6.
All right. So now 56. Your guess is correct. So our formula is correct. I will go over the formula, but let's test this out a bit.
Your guess is correct has formula C1. Seed number 55 times 10 to the power of first.
Okay, let's do 11.
1. Sheet 1. 11 times 10 to seed number crop D. 11 times 10 to the power of first. E2, E3, E4, E104. 11 times seed number crop D1. D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. Your number is too high has formula overflowing
okay,
C6.
So it says your number
56
too high.
B6.
56. Your number is too high. So we can do 12.
2. Sheet 1. 12 B6. Your guess is too low has formula overflowing C6.
Your guess is too low. I thought we corrected that.
12b. Your guess is too low. Has formula overflowing C6.
Your guess is too low.
12b6.
Okay, so let's do 44.
Edit 5.
Oops.
5, 5, 4, 4. Sheet 44. Your number is too high. Has formula
Your
overflowing
number
C6.
is too high. So 44, your number is too high. 12, your number. So let's do 33.
3. Sheet 33b. Your number is too high. Has formula
Your
overflowing
number is too high.
33b6.
We need to change that. Your number is too high. So let's do 22.
2. Sheet 22. Your guess is too low. Has formula
Your
overflowing
guess is
C6.
too low. So 22 is too low and 33 is too high.
22b6.
So we do 25.
Edit 2. 5.
Oh, let's do 26.
5, 6. Sheet 1, 26b6. Your guess is too low. Has formula overflowing C6.
Your guess is too low at 26.
26b6.
Okay, so 29.
Edit 2. 9. Sheet 1 table 20. Your guess is too low. Has formula
Your guess is
29b6.
too low.
Edit 3. 0.
30.
Sheet 30. Your guess is too low. Has formula over 30b6.
Wow,
Edit 3.
31.
1. Sheet 1. 30. Your guess is too low. Has formula 31b6. Edit 2. Sheet 32b. Your guess is correct. Has formula overflowing
Finally,
C6.
guess is good. So it was 32. Imagine that. So now, let's fix this, and while I'm fixing it, I'll show you what I mean by the formula. Okay.
Edit equals if left equals.
Okay. So we have equals.
Cap F left paren.
Now this is the first set of if condition. If
G U E S S.
the guess, which is B6.
Greater C H O I C E.
Choice, which is our number down there on A.
Comma. Quote. If cap Y O U R space N U M B E R space R E B M U N G
Your
U
guess.
S S I S space T O O space A I G A quote.
Is too high. Okay.
Comma.
Now this is the true part, and there's a comma separating the true part. Now the false part is here.
Cap I, if
But in the
value
false
line
part, we
false
need
option.
another if to get that false part out, right? So we'll say if,
Cap left U E S less C
you know,
less.
less than. So this less means less than. The first one was greater than, so this less means less than. So what the false part is now getting the less than part of the formula.
C H O I C E comma. Quote. Cap Y O U R space G U E S S space
Your
I S
guess
space T O O space L O W
too low.
quote, comma.
Now then the other part
Space
is
quote, cap O U R
your
space
guess
G U
is
E
correct. Okay, so that's how it works. And then
S space I S space C O R R E C T quote. Right paren.
right paren,
Right paren.
right paren. Because
Blank.
we have two ifs and each of those ifs have left parens, these two and they have to end with, both have to end with right paren.
Sheet 1 table.
So
C7.
so
Your guess is correct. C7.
the if statement is really involving. You need it's really complex, especially when you're dealing with functions. So I suggest you go to the if statement, you press the Alt H to get the what do you call it, to get the hang of it, so that you understand how to use this function properly. And then you can write many more games. You can even put a game for choice. If your choice is more than 5, you have 5 choices, you're going to still use the if statement. If it's more than 5, then you can have it's going to be more than 5.
Your guess
So,
is correct. Has formula overflow. C1.
okay, so let's do
C
this.
number crop 11 times 10 to the power of first.
So let's do what do we do? 99.
Edit 9. 8.
Let's do 98.
Sheet 1 table. D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. Your guess is too low. Has formula
So my
overflowing.
guess is too
C32,
low.
B6. Your guess 32, B6.
At 32, my guess is too low. So let me do, this is the last game and then we end the video.
Edit 8. 8. Sheet 88. Your guess is too high. Has formula overflowing. C6. 88,
Okay.
B6. Edit 6. 6. Sheet 60. Your guess is too high. Has formula overflowing. 66,
It's high at
B6.
66.
Enter your guess crop 66, 5. Sheet 55. Your guess is too low. Has formula overflowing.
So between
C6.
55 and 66, okay?
55, B6.
All right, so it's going to be between 55 and 56. Okay, so let's try 60.
Edit 6. 0. Sheet 1. 60. Your guess is too high. Has formula. 60,
It's
B6.
too high, so we know it's going to be between 55 and 60. So last time I'm going to
Edit
go
5.
58
7.
or 57.
Sheet 50. Your guess is too low. Has formula overflow.
Wow,
57,
okay,
B6.
57, so between 57 and 60.
Edit 6. 6, 5. 9. Sheet 150. Your guess is correct. Has formula
My
overflowing.
guess is correct,
C6.
so the number is 59.
Enter your 59 has formula A1.
Yeah, and that's
Enter your
59.
guess.
So you can see the reason why I kept the number at the the last row of column A is so that is obscured from us, even for sighted users. This is a game that sighted users can do as well in order to learn Excel a lot better, especially functions. It's going to expand your mind into using Excel. So when you're writing a lot of templates, this is how they mostly write templates. There's sometimes they need to put values in a place that is really out of sight from people. So they put these values in cells that ordinary users can't see, right? But if you look at the formulas properly, you actually know where these cells are. So these are how templates are created. So I'm just giving you a preview on how you can create games, how you can create templates, and I hope this was a bit. I know it was a bit involving, but I hope it was worth the while, and I hope you will use more of this to practice your functions, create templates for yourself, and also I would look at how sometimes you might need somebody might give you an Excel sheet. As a blind user, how are you going to navigate your way through the Excel sheet? So we can download a template from, let's say, Gumtree or Gumroad, sorry, and see how we can use that on our in our video. All right, thank you very much for joining in this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.